Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a laptop HP. This laptop, you can see the broken display hinge. It's totally broken before I fixed on time, and again this laptop is broken. So if you want to fix, you can fix, and if you want to change this body, you can buy from the AliExpress or Amazon. So today I will fix this broken part. You can see how broken this one. So this part I will fix. First I have to use some super glue to connect here, and after that I will use the Mseal glue for this fix the broken part. So first I use this glue here to just connect the part broken. So after that I use that glue. So watch my video and see how I fix. So I have to put the glue. Now I fitting this part with this one, and then I will wait until this glue make strong. After that I will put another glue. So stay and watch. Now I take both of Mseal glue and I mix it. After that I will keep this laptop for 6 hours. Okay guys, you see I have to mix. This glue is very soft now, and now I will put little bit glue on the back side, and it will be make very strong for the body. It will not broke again from here. Tamam. Okay, so this is the protect for downside, do not broken. Use like this. And from the inside also. Just keep this one for the power button. So guys, you can see I have to put the glue both of side because it will be middle, and after 6 hours it will be fixed very strong. So I will keep it like that for 6 hours and come back after 6 hours. Hello guys, you can see now the laptop is ready. Sure. See, now we can use the laptop. See, it's working perfectly. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon.